Artwork fly.
Alright, so this is round 2. Speed of the pencil. They're going to choose another image to draw, but this time they're going to get 1 minute. This is only going to be played once, and there's going to be a trick to it in the second part. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to put the words on the table, and this time they have 1 minute, because these are more difficult than the first one. Alright, so go ahead and choose. Alright, Crystal, what did you get? Ken, what did you get? Elephant. Mom got a seahorse. Oh yeah, select the hard one then, so. Alright, so for this round they have 1 minute. Start. Okay, time. Alright, so I gave you guys 10 minutes, 10 seconds over. Alright. So Crystal, let me see yours. Lobster? Yeah. Lobster? Elephant for Ken. Yes. Wait. And a seahorse. Stop laughing. Stop laughing.
Okay, that's coming. At least Crystal when I look at you, alright, ready now. Crystal
Already know. Alright. And a seahorse. Alright, so you guys are going to tell me who is the winner for round 2 of Speed of the Pencils. Now we're going to do round 3. The contestants are going to be blindfolded. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.